Apple started its event with this product and it is an updated version of Watch Series 7. This watch has all the features Series 7 has, but the point of the video is its new features. The thing first come in line is always on display. Apple is the first company to introduce always on display on a watch. That's really cool. They reduce the border and make viewing easier. There are some small features in this watch like swim proof, dust proof and crack resistant. But what make it more different and special is that some of its new features like ECG health sensor, irregular rhythm notifications means if your heartbeat changes, it will send you notification to keep you informed. And they have installed 2 new heat sensors, especially for women. They had introduced cycle tracking 3 years back, but now they have improved and it will give you accurate results. The one sensor is mounted on the back crystal of the watch and the other is mounted on the bottom of the display so that the data you receive is more accurate. It provides data from observing the external environment temperature and body temperature, and the Series 8 samples your temperature after every 5 seconds while you are sleeping. A feature that was not introduced before in any watch is fall detection and car crash detection, for which they have installed the new sensors. According, it took them many years in making of these things because if it fails in any detection, then what is it used for? Batteries that compartment, if it's not good in any smartwatch or phone, then it is just a matter of wasting money or time. This watch has the battery timing of 18 hours, but with the new feature that Apple has introduced, low power mode, which will be available from watchOS 9 as for all the Apple watches that support it. It is said about this watch that it can work up to 36 hours on low power mode, in which some of its features will be disabled like auto fitness tracking, always on display, etc. By the way, whatever it is, it will be checked after its release. The price of this watch is $399. You can book it now. It will be available from 16th September. Now tell me what you think about this new innovation in the comment sections below, and for the time's sake, take care. Bye.